Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back, bitch. This is my first video. So now I'm gonna grab a Bedellium 2 in 714, and I'm gonna grab my, you can't even see no more, Cover FX contour kit from G Light to medium, and I'm gonna use color G70 to conceal the bottom of my brows. But first, I'm gonna moisturize my lids with Lil Baby.
This one, yeah, it's a bad gal edition. See them gal that contradiction. Them say them sitting tight, I bear fiction. The wall of them a be it. Body smoke, cigarette, shit nice, figure it. Get them the rollerblades, tell them to ski it. Stay out on them, Jamaican tip. All I do is sign boobs and be taking pics. Got the new Benz, the color of bacon pits. Got a spot in every state, Dalmatian bitch. Now this young money, old money, real good money. Ain't do a feature that wasn't on Billboard, honey. Kingston, Remo, Waterhouse, Jungle, Barbie. Man, I've enough gal in a bungle.
Yeah, you give me the tightest grip me ever get seen in my life. Yeah, me just want to feel all ya, put the thing all around ya. Yeah, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Like a fast bike on the ball, room, 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 room. Girl on the back and she a boom, 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 boom. Give me back a one now, the fat one come, come. But the rappers then ask me, I get my boom, boom. See them with that control. I move for her, she want it and so. She's a more fun, Murad, still she grown and still be multiple, got me.
So now with a brow wig by Anastasia in the color Soft Brown, I'm gonna just fill in the bald spots.
I've been out on the interstate. I've been trying to go and get this kid. She ain't a feeling because we ain't speaking, but she don't even call a nigga. She gon' get nasty whenever I see her. She try to suck all them niggas. Heard you been doing business with the ops. Fuck you and all them niggas. We gon' keep riding around with them gloss until we find them niggas. They thinking I lost to remind them niggas. I can get fly to niggas. 100,000 in the Gucci book bag. They thinking I signed them niggas. I live with my life for. This road that I got on TikTok. Still on that bullshit. If you pull up, I'ma let it stick talk. I'm in LA with the vibes. They in the cut getting high. She tryna get in my ride. She tryna turn up the night, yeah. I was running no cash, yeah. I ain't ran up a bag. And they started getting mad, yeah. But I didn't get mad. I just kept getting cash, yeah. Now I'm in my bag, yeah. Now I'm in my bag, yeah.
Now with the MAC 266 brush, looks like that. I'm just gonna go in with a little brow powder duo from Anastasia in medium brown.
I could've bought a race today, yeah, yeah. I ran it up, they supposed to hate. I'm digging this lifestyle. Water dripping on me like I'm a Farsali. The crew with me right now. You can play, just proceed with cars.
Okay, so now I'm gonna conceal my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color medium. And I'm gonna use the same brush I did to conceal my brows.
Stacks hit inside the mattress, racks hit inside the mattress, packs hit inside the mattress, gangs hit inside the mattress.
So now I'm just gonna set my under eyes with Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette.
I'm cool on her, I done had her. Bounce back with a million. Hit her out like Gilligan, not just a regular civilian. I rap for the squad.
And we're gonna use the color
Remember we hit up the hour, we got a stash spot.
I'm gonna be using a Morph M513.
I get on the stage and rap till I pass out. Hit another city, I'm just grooving. I was trying to tell you I was losing. I was gonna tell you I'm improving. I done caught a vibe, she was choosing. Gotta keep my pride, I'm a general. Gotta keep it real with some criminals. Gotta keep my focus, I'm phenomenal. Once I cock and load, I'm the money man. Got 100 hoes, got 100 zans. We gon' party hard till the moon comes. She don't better
now, with the same palette, I'm gonna take
put some cold syrup in a Mountain Dew. You would never see what I go.
Sippy Sippy and just dab that the same place that I put Sweet Tea.
Send a flight for a bad bitch, overnight for a bad bitch. Cartier on a bad bitch, Cartier on a bad bitch. Stacks hit inside the mattress, racks hit inside the mattress, packs hit inside the mattress,
With the MAC 217 brush, I'm going to take Natural Peaches from the Swamp Queen palette and just dab that on my lid. Now I'm going to use the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir and just, I'm going to use the Professional on my T-zone area. This is the Luminous Silk Foundation in number 9, and I've been using this for forever.
Yeah. Huh? I know they don't like me. They scared to come try me. You scared to come try me, you try me, I got it. You know that I got it. That pistol at the moment, I cock and I pop it. You know I'ma pop it. I'm aiming at your head, and nigga gon' drop it. Y'all nigga gon' drop it. You nigga be playing, you know that we drop shit. My nigga, we drop shit. We pull up on opposite, nigga, we pop shit. You know that we pop shit. These nigga calling 12, but they can't stop this. Nah, real bitch. Nah, for real though. I'm zone sit, nah, for real, nigga. Nigga like to sell cocaine, go kill, nigga. Trick, nigga, we raw, nigga, nah, for real, nigga. EA, what's the deal, nigga? On the deal, nigga. King of the fucking hill, nigga. Top of the apartment, young nigga, what for real, nigga? Toe tag and catch a body at a young age. AK, SK, 38, throw away. Glock line on way. Young nigga down, we played. Shit was crazy back in the day. Y'all cannot last a day. Shit was crazy in my apartment. You can add my nigga trade. Young nigga spraying them things. Young nigga having them cake. Robbing shit every day. I swear we were having our way. Really weren't having our way.
The Tarte Shape Tape in medium again, and just apply it to the T-zone area. Now with the Fenty Matchstick and Truffle, I'm just gonna apply this where I like my contour. This is a trick to make your lips bigger.
I got cash, I let it walk. I'm gonna do this by myself. On this jet by myself. I just down and shit the gas tank. I just down and get my fingers wet. My bitch getting go here.
And now
running around on moped. My bitch out the pack shit. Pop that bean and cannon dead. Yeah, she set me, I can't feel my leg. My bitch yucky, she don't use no hand. That's right with the diamond dash. That's right with the diamonds dash. That way you cut bottom back. In LA, I smoke that gas. In LA, I live in slack. Them bitch with you, she gave you back. I'm for them bitch and gave it back. I ain't none of her, she make me lax. That gun on me, I cannot let.
Now we conceal and highlight under the eyes.
You can dap on yours, but you get clapped. I took that little boy right off of the map. We kept them boy right here, right in the trap. I let my lean, I fuck you and relax. I feel that beat, you running laps. You touch down in my city, you better tap. That bitch round here, she know she got a tap. I seen that bitch round in Nudy cat. That bitch with me and now she on the pack. On the side side, no way in the crack.
We're gonna start with the Chanel Powder Universelle Libre. Poudre, Libre. I don't know, bitch. We speak English and Spanish on this side. In the color 30.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something for y'all to cut up to, you know.
MakeupForever Pro Bronze Fusion in the color 25i with the Chanel foundation powder. Just warm up my cheekbones.
people, what you bringing to the table? Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah.
I'm gonna grab a Morph M164, it looks like that, and just create the fine line. Recreate shadow, making it look bigger. Now time for highlight, my favorite part. So to set my face, I'm gonna use the Cover FX mattifying setting spray.
And they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees.
So for highlight, I'm gonna use a Morphe M501 brush.
Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Man, I'm been did that. Man, I'm been popped off. And if she ain't tryna give it up, she get dropped off. Let me bust that UE, bitch, bust that open. Might spend a couple thou just to bust that open.
I just applied a little bit of Primac to my lips, and then now I'm gonna apply the Kylie Cosmetics.
I spit that crack like I'm in that trap. So if you need a hit, then I'm with that bag. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap.
Okay, now Nicki. Put it in your kidney, got a new LS 450. Ain't no keys in this doohickey. If I want rapping, I be trapping. If I want trapping, I be pimping. If I want pimping, I be getting it. Period. I don't smoke no Bobby, but my denim be from Ricky. Got your girl on Molly, yeah, we smoking loud and drinking. Got my top back so you can see what I've been thinking. And if you know me, then you know I've been thinking Franklin. Money,